Initial impact was right here on the right front. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So let me explain what we're going to be doing today. Today we're actually driving from Orlando to Tampa. And what we're doing in Tampa, we're meeting up with a friend to install his 2018 intake manifold. Now, I'm probably not going to be recording the install just because I already have a video on how to do a 2018 manifold. So I'm probably just going to be doing mainly the vlog style. And then we might go to a couple car meets down there. But we'll see where that takes us. So let's go ahead and hit the road, head to Tampa. What is going on, guys? We made it back basically to Tampa now. Let me show you what we're working with. Got the manifold out. This is Daniel, by the way. So basically, we got the manifold out now, 2017. All we have to do is basically swap everything here over, and it's going on to the 18 manifold now. Is it ported? Yeah. Okay. So it is a ported manifold as well, so that's gonna be going in now. So let's go ahead and just swap that in, and then let's make some power. All right, so we got the 18 manifold in. Now let me go through the vacuum lining again, because this is literally the hardest part of the install, is trying to figure out where the vacuum lines go. So this line right here with the green clip on it, that one goes furthest away. So basically it's kind of like, think of it as kind of like it stays in its pattern. So the farthest one right follows all the way to the right, farthest to the right on the purge line, right there. And then the second one goes from the brake booster all the way in to the next closest one, which is going to be this line right here, directly connected to the manifold. And then the farthest one is going to go to the purge valve right here. And then basically that's what its setup supposed to look like, just to give like a little intro. So we're loading in the tune right now. Once it's done, we're just gonna fire it up, make sure it works. What's up, guys? So as you can see, we're on the side of the highway and this happened. It doesn't look total though, but we'll see. It just this back end right here in the front corner, so it's really not that bad. Tow truck just got here too. We hit a bump. I don't know if anybody knows I-4. It's really bad construction right now, and it was drizzling outside. Well, drizzling, raining. We hit a bump in the road, and the whole car just did a full 180 as soon as we hit that bump. There was like no way to save it, and slammed right into the side of the wall. So let me go ahead and let the tow truck get here actually. All right, guys, so here's the car in the daytime now. Initial impact was right here on the right front, and then the car swung around and it hit the right rear here. So it looks like a lot of frame damage done in the front because the whole end shifted over to the left side. So we'll see what's going on.